Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, I am going to tell you something like I do keep getting lot of messages in LinkedIn, and many people do ask me like there are so many AI application which is coming into the market. For example, like GitHub, Copilot, or it can be ChatGPT, or it can be any other kind of AI applications. And many people do keep asking me like whether this will replace humans in the future. Okay. So coming to this point, one thing I tell you, whatever the applications or whatever the software which comes into the market will get degraded after some times. So one thing I tell you, and I keep telling you, and I will stress this point: your jobs are safe. Okay, so no AI application can replace your job. Okay, so in fact these kind of AI applications do keep increasing the jobs. Okay, so suppose like there is some AI application which comes into the market, and that AI application will get degraded after some time. Okay, and there are so many AI other applications comes also into the market, and no AI application can replace your jobs. Okay, so your jobs are safe, and whatever the application comes into the market, like you have to take it in a positive way. Like there will be some kind of bugs, or there will be some kind of drawbacks, or there will be some kind of pros and cons related to that AI application, guys. Okay, so there are so many different types of job profiles in the market, and no profile can be replaced with the AI application, guys. Okay, so whatever the job comes into the market, whatever the new titles, whatever the new jobs are there in the market, it's all like it all shows that the market is growing. Okay, so don't worry, your jobs are safe, and your jobs cannot be replaced with any other AI application, or it can be robots. Okay, so nothing to worry, your jobs are completely safe. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to tell you guys, like don't worry about whatever the application which is coming to the market, so your jobs are safe. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video, guys. Please just subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.